Hello, and welcome to my video about the Holiday Inn Express Katong in Singapore. I was on a cruise that ended in Singapore in March. I then found another great deal on a cruise starting a few days later in Brisbane, Australia. You can see the ships and cabins I stayed on in the links above. I decided to stay and enjoy Singapore until the second cruise started, and so glad I did. It really is an amazing place to visit. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It helps the channel get more visibility and grow. Recently, I signed up for an IHG Premier card from Chase. The sign-on bonus was 140,000 points. When it is time to stay away from the RV, I almost exclusively use points to stay for free. There are many advantages to using points over paying cash. If you want me to do a video on this, please comment below and let me know. Stay until the end and find out how many points this 5-night stay cost me. For those that don't know me, I retired in 2017, sold everything, bought a motorhome, and travel 100% of the time now. Up until 2022, I traveled through the US in the RV from coast to coast. I now mix RV travel with cruising and other types of international travel. My room number was 1257. Your card key opens the door. As you enter, there is a key card holder, but the room had a place holder, so my card was not necessary to put it in it. There are 2 light switches, one for the room, one for the bath. The bath is on the right. The bath is interesting. The door is frosted glass and doubles as a door for the shower. Entering the bath area, you see the toilet to the right. It has the water saver flush feature with 2 buttons, large and small. Above is a hook for hanging items. Moving around the bath, there are towels above, a shelf for toiletries along with plastic glasses, tissues, extra toothbrushes, and a hairdryer. There is liquid soap at the sink. Also, there is filtered water dispenser, although it was not needed in my opinion. The water was just fine. The shower is roomy and has frosted glass with natural light from the bedroom area. There is a single control knob for the water and an adjustable shower head including a massage feature. There is body wash and shampoo on the wall along with 1 glass shelf. The bath area could use better lighting. We head out to the right where the bed is. First is a seating area. To the right of this is the thermostat. The room said I had a queen-size bed, but to me it looked more like a full-sized one. But for one person, it was certainly sufficient. There are shelves on both sides with multiple light switches and lights, along with an electrical outlet that allows for a multiple plug configuration. The phone is here and an alarm clock on the other side. There are no USB ports. Moving around the room, we come to the window, which is large. I had a decent view of the harbor. The blackout curtains work very well. Moving around the room, we come to a shelf/desk. It has the TV overhead and a desk lamp. There is the same type electrical outlet with 2 USB ports also. The desk is a little shallow for my liking, but I may do, actually, creating this video. Underneath is a garbage can. To the left of the desk is a kettle and has tea and instant coffee along with a ceramic type cups. There is a drawer, which did not seem to work properly for me. Below that is a small refrigerator. We are near the entry door now and come to the closet that has a full-length mirror. We open the door and the light comes on. Inside is a shelf above, a couple of hangers, a safe, and a lower shelf with complimentary slippers. To the left of that is another space for hanging items, luggage storage, an ironing board with another shelf above. And as for how many points this cost me, it was 13,400 per night, 67,000 points in total. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you found this useful. More is coming weekly. Let me know what you liked and might want to see.